Hare Krishna Prabhuji, my name is Nikhil Prajapati. I am going to discuss all diagram based questions of the molecular basis of inheritance chapter. So the first question is, what does the given figure represent? Polypeptide chain, a polynucleotide chain, and amino acid chain, none of these above. Option B, a polynucleotide chain. Next question, what does the given figure represent? A polynucleotide chain, double stranded polynucleotide chain, a polypeptide chain, double stranded polypeptide chain. Option B, double stranded polypeptide chain. Next question, what does A and B in the given figure represent? A and B. Option A, base pair sugar phosphate backbone, sugar phosphate backbone base pair, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. So the correct option is option A, base pair sugar phosphate backbone. Next question, what does A and B represent in the following figure? Option A, thymine, cytosine. Option B, uracil, guanine. Option C, cytosine, thymine. Option D, thymine, uracil. Option A, thymine and cytosine. Next question, what does A, B and C is given figure represent? A, B, C. Replication, translation, transcription, replication, transcription, translation, 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 replication, translation, replication, transcription. Option B is correct. Replication, transcription, translation. Next question, what does A, B and C represent in a given figure? A, B, C. DNA H1 histone octamer, H1 histone DNA histone octamer, histone octamer DNA H1 histone, DNA histone octamer H1 histone. Correct option is A, DNA H1 histone octamer. Next question, what does given image represent? EM picture bed on a string, MRI picture string on a bed, MRI picture based on a string, MRI picture based on a string. Option A correct, EM picture braid on a string. Next question, what does 1, 2 and 3 represent in the following image? 1, 2, 3. Option A, infection, bending, blending, centrifugation, blending, infection, centrifugation, blending, infection, centrifugation. So the correct option is infection, blending, centrifugation. Next question is, what does A, B, C, D in the following figure represent? A, B, C, D. A, continuous synthesize, newly synthesized strand, discontinuous synthesized template DNA. B, DNA discontinuous synthesized, newly synthesized strand, continuous synthesized. C, newly synthesized strand, continuous synthesized, discontinuous synthesized template DNA. D, template DNA, discontinuous synthesized, continuous synthesized, newly synthesized strand. Option A is correct. Continuous synthesized, newly strand DNA, synthesized template DNA. A, continuous synthesized. B, newly synthesized strand. C, discontinuous synthesized, and D, template DNA. Next question, what does a given figure represent? Option A, Mendel for a semi-conservation DNA replication, Watson and Crick model semi-conservation DNA replication, Watson and Crick model for a conservation DNA replication, DNA structure. So the correct option is option B, Watson and Crick model for a semi-conservation DNA replication. Next question, what does the following figure represent? Option A, Michelson and Stoll experiment, Watson and Crick experiment, Mendel and experiment, none of these. Correct option A, Nelson and Stoll experiment. Next question, what does A, B, C represent in the given figure? A, B, C. Option A, transcription start site coding stand template stand. B, transcription start site template stand coding stand. C, template stand transcription start site coding strand. D, coding strand template strand transcription start site.
Why I would say you are not speaking?
Option B is correct. Transcription start site template stand coding stand. Next question, what does given figure represent? A, B, C. Process of translation in a bacteria, process of transcription in a bacteria, process of replication in a bacteria, none of them. Option B is correct. Process of transcription in a bacteria. Next question, what does ABCD represent in a given figure? A, B, C, and D. Sigma factor RNA polymer, rho factor RNA polymer. B, RNA polymer, sigma factor RNA polymer, rho factor. C. RNA polymer rho factor, RNA polymer sigma factor, D. None of the above. Option number B. RNA polymerase sigma factor, RNA polymerase rho factor. What does given figure represent? A. Process of translation in a eukaryote. B. Process of translation in a eukaryote. C. Process of replication in a eukaryote. None of the above. Option B is correct. Process of translation in eukaryote. What does given figure represent? A. tRNA, the adopter molecule. B. RNA, the adopter molecule. C. mRNA, the adopter molecule. D. None of the above. Option A. tRNA, the adopter molecule. Next question. What does the given figure represent? Option A. Replication. B. Translation. C. Transcription. D. None of the above.
Displacement की तरफ.
Option B. Translation. In a given figure, what does A, B, C, D and E represent? A, B, C, D, E. A repressor include a beta-galactoside primase, translase, B translase primase, beta-galactoside inducer repressor, C repressor beta-galactoside primase translase indicator, and D inducer repressor beta-galactoside primase translate. Option A is correct. Next question. What does given figure represent? Human genome project, DNA fingerprinting, BF fingerprinting, none of the above. Option first is correct. Human genome project. Next question. What does the given figure represent? Option A DNA fingerprinting, B DNA, C RNA, D human genome project. Option A is correct. DNA fingerprinting. Thank you for watching, and again Hare Krishna everyone.